child.
Oh, more.
Yun. Sadio Mane.
Yes, Zaki.
Oh, fuck.
Nice save.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Harvey.
Thank you. 16 years old na. Woo!
Ano mo, mag-hi ka sa our #1 fan of the vlog, si Nat from Thailand.
Hello, not from Hi. Hello. Kain, Brad.
Hi.
Mag-booster tayo. Mag-booster kami.
Na gabing kapibi, gabiti. Pit pang tinola. Kumini ako bibili ng manok. Papaya lang yung bibigay niya.
A lot of people have been expressing their interest in this training jersey. Definitely one of the best ones I've had. Make sure to keep an eye out on the Kaya pages and the bootcamp website for when it's available. I'm sure you guys will love it as well. Good morning. It is now 6:08 a.m. The sun is barely peeking through. The Kaya van leaves in around 12 minutes. And today we have our friendly against Stallions at Binyan. So let's go.
I don't like ice. Bad.
So we have just finished our game. What's the final score? 5-6? Maybe 5-0 against Lions.
Makes up flavor.
Maybe.
Well done, Rio. Hindi na kayo maguluhan sa mga bro. Ay, joke! Melo.
Jesse, any
Ay,
words after the
pucha.
game?
Huh?
Any words?
It's very hot. I'm very sunburned. Now I'm very cold.
Pinapagalitan ng
Okay, I'm good. So now I will be attempting to change my tire for the very first time. Proink. I have no idea how this happened. But anyway, yeah, I will be trying to figure this out. Wish me luck. Am I supposed to loosen this? Ooh. Ooh. Step one done. Doing this right. So I think I found the culprit. You see that? How did that happen? See that? I think I'm done. Break. Okay. So I am now just testing the new tire. So far so good. That's it for now. It's been a tiring day so far after the friendly and having to fix my bike. We've got a few weeks left till the opening game versus Sydney FC in the AFC Champions League preliminaries, and I hope you join me for more vlogs till then. This has been your boy Zach. If you like content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that stuff. And yeah, till next time, peace. I'm tired. I need a shower.